Let's go. We got a video. This video is about Jetson ONE. It's a personal aircraft. We're going to check it out, see if we want to purchase one. They look pretty cool, sturdy. We're going to check it out. Let's go. For me, I feel like this is something that I probably will want to purchase. It looks safe, it looks sturdy, it looks like you don't need to go super high. You know, that's something that I probably will want to purchase. Just like when I purchased a motorcycle. I mean, I know the motorcycle is on the ground, but it kind of looks safe. So I know the flight time is 20 minutes. They are taking orders for 2026. It's for fun. It just seemed like it's for fun. Now, we're probably going to get to a certain time frame when people might take it to work, go A and B, take it to work. Obviously, it's only seats one person, one pilot, but it looks cool. I mean, would you guys want to ride it? This person that's flying it, the pilot, looks like it's right over the ground. It's not too high, not too low, and it's just something to have fun with it. We fly planes, I get it, they got a pilot, they got a co-pilot, but this doesn't look too extreme. It doesn't look extreme at all. He definitely going pretty fast. He going fast, but I'm sure you don't have to go that fast. I seen something that said, hey, you don't need a pilot. A lot of things that's been coming out lately been saying that you don't need a pilot. I mean, you don't need a pilot license or anything. The government need to fix this. I believe that with some people in this world, some weird people in this world, we need licensing for these type of things. I feel like people can be crashing into people, but overall, it's a good product so far. I mean, we don't know all the history of it yet, but I did some research and it seems like a good product, really good product. Technology is advancing so much. We just got to get ready for it. It's advancing so much. We just got to get ready for it, honestly. I got another one. They're doing some more testing. Yeah, I like how it can just hover. That's kind of how I have drones as well in my home, and that's kind of how I can just make the drone hover and it will just stay in that one spot. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, you telling me you can't do that? You telling me you can't do that? That's not hard. It doesn't seem like it's hard. That's pretty cool. Yeah, buy your friends a little nice little personal aircraft. It's like, no, we ain't buying our friends that. I mean, we'll buy it for ourselves, but we ain't buying our friends that. All right, until next time.